Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we have this maroon pink smoky eye, and basically like 90% of the products that I used are products I've never used before. And as you can see, my background is different. I just wanted to feel like more comfortable when I'm filming, and I feel like I'm just sitting here and doing my makeup with you guys. Anyways, if you want to learn how to get this look, keep on watching. First thing we're going to be using that I have never used before. Alright, first color I'm going to be using is this shade right here, and that is called Spring. This is going to be the lightest shade that I'm using, and at first I'm focusing it on my crease, but little by little I'm going to start bringing it up, because like I said, this is the lightest shade, so it's okay if it's kind of all over the place. I'm going to take a different brush, and I'm going to be mixing this shade Wild and this shade Flower. And that's going to be the in-between shade. On the box of this palette, it says that like some of the ingredients in here are not safe for your eye. And look at me, still over here using it. I'm focusing this right in the crease. And I'm just using back and forth motions. This is how it's looking. We have that light shade, and then we have those two shades in the middle. Next, we're going to be taking this shade here called Festival, and it's like a dark maroon shade. And this is going to be the shade that is all over the lid. And with this, I like to just really press it in. I don't know if I should add glitter or not. And this, I like to pay attention to where I'm putting it because I don't want this to be too high. But to tell you guys a little bit about their eyeshadows, I honestly love them. They're so pigmented and they're really easy to blend out too. Now I'm going to go back in with the shade that I used in the middle. The shades that I used in the middle. And I'm going to start blending the two together. And you want to use really small motions so that it's not getting all over the place and your eye look doesn't look messy. And you can already see they're blending together. So it's gonna look like that. This video could go downhill real fast. Some of you guys might know when I do my glitter looks, I always use the NYX glitter glue. Today, I'm gonna be trying out the hard candy glitter glue. Anyway, the glitter that I'm using is from Golden Paradise, and it's called Besos. Take a flat brush and dip into the glitter glue. It's a more thinner consistency. Kind of just tap it all over the lid. All right, let's see. Okay. And I'm just tapping this all over the lid. This actually looks so cute. I want to see if the glitter is going to transfer on like up here where my eyeshadow is, or if it's going to stay in its place. The liner I'm going to be using is the Sam Marcel liner. I'm not going to do a wing, I'm just going to do it on the lash line. When I have glitter on my lids, sometimes it's hard and some eyeliners will like kind of get all over the place, but this one is literally just gliding on without a problem. Okay, Sam Marcel. I'm gonna be trying this new serum from Fourth Ray Beauty, and this is their Cactus Hydrating Serum. Ooh. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. That feels nice. And I know y'all see these little breakouts. That's what happens to me when it's that time of the month. And I know you guys have been asking for a skincare routine, but I was like, that's embarrassing. My face is breaking out right now. But I'm getting it back together. I'm going to use a little bit of this Hard Candy Hydrating Gripping Primer. I'm using hydrating primers though because the foundation I'm going to be using is mattifying. So when I go in with a mattifying foundation, I like to make sure that my skin is nice and moisturized. Lashes I'm going to be using are these lashes here, and these are called Spoiled from Luxy Bee Lashes. Very like wispy, fluffy. I'm gonna be trying out the new Too Faced foundation, and this is their mattifying foundation. It says that it's oil free, oil controlling, waterproof, transfer resistant. We'll see about that. And I'm going to be trying this out with the Too Faced foundation brush as well. I really hope it matches my skin because this is the only one that they sent. When doing my foundation, I like to take it and kind of dab it. Oh my god. Yeah, I do not think this is my shade. But it's okay. We can work with it. And I just like to pat it into the skin. So yeah, it definitely dries really fast. We're really gonna put it to the test over here where I have little breakouts. Let's see how it does with covering. And like I said, pat, pat, pat. I never really like pull my foundation. You can still see them a little bit. For the most part, it looks really good. This is with the foundation on, and it is definitely matte. It actually dries down on the skin really fast. Anyways, I'm going to cream contour and do my concealer off camera because I have nothing new to try. And I'm back. Now, the powder I'm going to be using is the Magic Powder by Charlotte Tilbury. I like to set my under eyes and then just start setting all the rest of my face. I don't put too much powder because the foundation's already working to keep your skin matte. Looks like it kind of like blurred my skin. I don't know if you can tell on camera. Hopefully. The bronzer I'm using is Laura Mercier. I do have new blushes. These are the Lottie London blushes. I'm gonna use a darker one because we kind of got like dark pink situation going on up there. And these are so cute. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of like an ombre blush, so it's darker at the top and lighter at the bottom. I don't really know how pigmented this is, so I'm gonna take a little bit at a time. Oh yeah, this is pigmented. I don't want to add too much. I think I have too much blush on. Because I take my powder brush, whatever I use like my translucent powder on, and I'll just like go on top of it and kind of like pat it into the skin so it looks more like settled down. So you can see like this one is intense and this one's like, girl, chill out. Much better. The highlighter I'm going to be using is from ColourPop, and this is their Super Shock highlighter in Manifest That. If I could open it, that would be great. Oh, there we go. And this is what the highlighter looks like. It's really pretty. Look, what the heck? I'm so obsessed with ColourPop stuff because it's so affordable and it's so good. Oh. But you can see it's so pretty. It's a really pretty shade. I added a little bit of that same powder underneath my contour just to kind of sharpen it a little bit. But I'm going to be going in with those lighter shades and putting that right under my eye. Now I'm going in with the darkest shade that we used. Why do I look so pale? Because you are. Yeah, I know. Now I'm going to put that Urban Decay mascara on my bottom lashes. Hope I don't ruin this whole thing. This brush is so weird. I cannot. Oh, Lord. Oh, my God. Okay. Good enough before I ruin it. Now the eyes and the face are complete. I actually think this looks so freaking good. I was thinking about doing like a maroon lip, but I think I'm going to do my favorite nude lip. And this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you like it as much as I like it. I think it came out so good. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!